Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has released a video and launched a sharp attack on the Modi government over its rule of the past 6 years. In the video, Rahul Gandhi tries to look into the reasons that have prompted China to take such an aggressive stance against India over the past few months. From India's foreign policies to the economy and relations with its neighbors, Rahul Gandhi touched upon several aspects that he said the Modi government has destroyed over the past 6 years, resulting in the Chinese action now. Since 2014, the PM's constant blunders and indiscretions have fundamentally weakened India and left us vulnerable. Empty words don't suffice in the world of geopolitics, said Rahul Gandhi in his tweet on Friday. Attacks foreign policy. In the video, Rahul Gandhi asks, what is it about India's situation that has made China act in such an aggressive way? What is it about this moment in time that allowed China to take such an aggressive stand against a country like India? He then went on to explain, a country is protected by its foreign relationships, its economy, neighborhood and the feeling people have. Over the past 6 years, India has been disturbed and disrupted in each of these sectors. Talking about the Modi government's foreign policies, Rahul Gandhi said earlier India has strategic partnerships with the United States and Russia, which have now become transactional relations. Earlier, India could maneuver in geopolitics with the help of these relations, but now India doesn't enjoy these partnerships anymore, said Rahul Gandhi. Slams destruction of relations with neighbors. The Congress leader then went on to talk about India's current relations with its neighbors and said that the Modi government has managed to anger Nepal, Bhutan and even Sri Lanka, who used to be friends of the country earlier. Economic policy is absolute disaster. Our economy was something that we could boast about going to the world. We have seen the worst economic growth in 50 years, unemployment is highest in 40 years. The economy is an absolute disaster, said Rahul Gandhi. We have said on multiple occasions that the economy needs major boosts from the government. We have said fire the economy, protect small businesses, he said. Rahul Gandhi said that these 3 reasons have convinced China that this is the best time to act, as India is now a country with a disastrous economy, failed foreign policies and troubled relations with its neighbors.